Welcome back channel Popular Food Tourism USA.
We had the most incredible walking tour, exploring the iconic resorts along the Las Vegas Strip. We started our journey at Bellagio, where we were greeted by the mesmerizing dancing fountains that put on a spectacular show. The elegance and luxury of Bellagio set the tone for the rest of our adventure. Continuing our tour, we arrived at Aria, a modern and stylish resort that captivated us with its sleek design and vibrant atmosphere. We explored the stunning art installations and indulged in a delicious meal at one of the resort's world-class restaurants. Next, we made our way to MGM, a true Las Vegas classic. The grandeur of this resort is simply breathtaking. With its impressive architecture and vast array of entertainment options, we couldn't resist trying our luck at the casino and were amazed by the variety of gaming options available. Our journey then took us to Paris, where we were transported to the romantic streets of the City of Light. The Eiffel Tower replica and charming Parisian architecture made for an enchanting backdrop. We couldn't resist stopping by a delightful bakery to savor some freshly baked pastries, and a lot more in our channel. Please subscribe, like and share to help the channel grow up and have more video for you. Thank you for helping. This Memorial Day weekend, we invite you to join us on our popular food tourism walking tour from Resort World to MGM, and turn around other side immersing ourselves in the bustling streets of Las Vegas. We'll capture the lively atmosphere.
This video little long, but you see all how busy night on holiday this year 2023 at Strip Las Vegas.